Hi, so this is our digital screen service that we've been doing various videos for today. This is our smallest screen. This is screen +1, and what this does is it gives you a nice long area to put an image in, or you can put several, and that's what I'm going to do just now. The good thing about these screens is they've got a little bit of a recess underneath them, so you can get a little bit of a snap in there if you want. But they're ideal for using in a press, which you'll see on some of our other videos. In fact, I'll show you a little bit later. But they're also ideal if you want to have a handheld item. So say you had odds and sods of a little bit of clothing or something, and you just wanted to put a wee logo in a certain place. I've got a wee postcard here. I'm using a plastisol ink just now, but there's no reason why I couldn't use water-based or even some acrylic paints or anything like that. If you're using water-based or air drying stuff, you just really have to let it work a little bit faster with it. With this one though, I just scrape that through there, and we've just applied this little print onto our card. And I've now got a little business card. I'll just stick this in here so it doesn't go anywhere. So you can see that we've got this nice little postcard, and we've just put our logo in the top. Now that logo is great because I could actually put it on here, or I could put it on my arm, or do something like that. So it really gives a lot of flexibility. I don't need anything else with it. I can just lay it down in different places and print. The other thing that I've got on the same screen is funny enough, I'm working on a cat theme today, so there's a cat image on here as well. And just work out where it starts and stops. So same story goes. This time I would put it into my frame. I just lay down a little bit more ink on here. Now on this frame as well, I've not even taped over the edges of my screen, so it's held on with double-sided tape. It's all about how many you're going to print, what you're going to do. I can use a nice little lightweight squeegee because it's quite firm across its length, so that's quite good. So here we can just scrape this up here, and hopefully we'll have a nice, I should really do these before. Oh no, it's worked out fine. So we've got a nice little cat design, and you can see the nice fine lines that are in there and the detail that's in there. And the same thing goes again. We could put it on the front of a t-shirt, we could have it on an arm, you could have it on the leg of your trousers if you want. It wouldn't really make any difference. But with a little jig like this, or a little loose screen, you can put anywhere. In fact, you could even decorate your kitchen cabinets by putting it up against them and printing. There's lots of options that you can do, and this is really relatively inexpensive. It can be used over and over and over again. Screens can last up to 500 impressions if they're handled well and right. So there's lots of other videos that will follow on from here. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can be kept up to date with any new ones. Thank you.